Hey everybody, come on in. It is time to cook some lunch. In my skillet here, I've got some hamburgers out of ground beef, and then I've got some, well, not hamburgers, out of the turkey meat with some turkey burgers. These are the burgers that I made up a while back. So, I got the last one, no, next to the last one. Now this is turkey meat, that's why it looks, the color of it's different. I don't need to sprinkle that one. And on the other side, I got these good old, these are Kansas City beef burgers. These are some good, this is some good meat, y'all. Trying to get my, get the seasoning. That's some seasoning that comes with these burgers. Trying to sprinkle it right out the packet. Okay, there it goes. That's enough on that one. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is some spread that seasoning out on them. These burgers need to cook about 10 to 12 minutes. Now this, I had them in a pan for a few minutes, so, and I flipped them one time. I need to flip them. And you know, these beef burgers now, they're going to take a minute or two to cook. So this is like a real piece of steak here. Yeah. They are really good. They have the best flavor to them. Get some of this out of there. Okay. Medium, low heat. Don't want to have it too high because we don't want them cooked and get hard. And of course, y'all know I'm going to chop an onion and saute in there with those burgers, so that we'll have that good old onion flavor. You know, we always have to use the onion, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this onion up over here. Hope y'all are having a God bless Wednesday. The weather is kind of cool here, but nice today, kind of overcast. I do hope that y'all are having a God bless Wednesday afternoon. Hope everything is going well. Hope you got some creative stuff going on with the family. Since we are still home, more and more people are at home. I think some companies even rotating, because some companies have had people out for a couple of weeks, and I think they're starting to rotate, you know, with their employees as to who's going to work and who is going to be home. So if you're on rotation, or if you just happen to be home for the first time, this is your first weekend, welcome to the fold. Welcome to the fold, y'all. Make the best out of it. Make this some get to re-know you. Let's get acquainted again time. Now's the best time again, as any, you know, if you want to, you know, I've got all these different books downstairs in my little bookcase, and there are, you know, a lot of how-to stuff down there. A lot of, my husband had a lot of math books, believe it or not. He was a numbers person. He loved math. He just did. When we used to go on trips, he would take the calculus book and read it. Imagine that. He was just one of these people that loved to work with numbers. So I never understood that, except he just loved numbers. And all of his children was, you know, they were good with numbers. So these burgers are cooking right along. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let them continue to cook for another 5 or 6 minutes here, and then we're going to take them off. And I got to go ahead, while this is being done, I'm going to go ahead and slice my bread, because I got this huge, I think it's a foot-long piece of French bread, I believe is what it is. It's not a hoagie bun. It's a nice, thick, foot-long piece of bread. I'm going to go ahead and slice it in half. Get it ready to go in the skillet, because I'm going to toast it, and then we'll go ahead and put it together, and we're going to have us a, what did I say, a sub. We're going to have us a hamburger, a burger sub. Let's just say a burger sub. So hold on, don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Okay, the burgers and onions are cooking along nicely. I think another couple of minutes and we'll be able to take them out of the skillet. And we're going to go ahead and get over here and see what we start on working on. Getting the bread ready. We got to get the bread ready out. Okay. Let me see. Okay, we'll be back in frame in just a second. Okay, it's time to take the burgers out of the pan. Let's get them out. Stacked in here like so. Flip those onions one time. Get them nice and sauteed. You know, sauteed. You just can't beat sauteed onions. Yummy. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and get them into the pan as well. My little receiving pan here. You know, those burgers yielded a little bit of oil. Get that out of the way. And I'm just gonna take a paper towel and dab these burgers. Soak up a little bit of that oil. Okay, so we're good. Never hurts to soak a little bit of oil out of there. Okay, clean the stove off. And we're done with the burgers. So, what I got going on right here, right now, I've got my bread. Okay. Got the bread. What I've done, I use a serrated edge, and I call it a bread knife. And it cuts right through real good. See that serrated edge on there? Cuts right through. And then what I'm going to do next, since I've already cut it. See, that's a big piece of bread. That burner is hot under there, and that is wonderful. So it'll just crisp up the bottom of that bread for me like I want it. I'm going to go ahead and butter my bread. If I can find a butter. Well, this knife will do. I'm going to go ahead and butter it a little bit inside, and I'm going to run it under the burner, under the broiler rather, and let it, just let it bake up, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic. And this is about a tablespoon of, it's not butter, it's Smart Start, y'all. It's actually Smart Start. So we're going to do this. Okay. 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 Another half a tablespoon. So I could say a teaspoon. I think about a couple teaspoons on each side of the bread will suffice. I don't want to drag it. I've got one of those long skillet things. You have to drag that whole big skillet thing out. We ain't doing that today. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to put this on a high broil on the second rack and just let it cook a little bit. And then on the outside, I'm going to do it with, I'm going to put some olive oil on the outside. So this right here is going into my oven. Well, I can put it on top rack and just put it on. Let's put it on low on my top rack. Okay. So we're done with the margarine, with the Smart Start rather. This is what I use, y'all, instead of margarine or butter. Can't have butter or margarine. So I use Smart Start. It's supposed to be heart healthy, so I yield to Smart Start. And I use olive oil also. Okay. And the other thing that's going to go on this hamburger sub is lettuce and tomatoes, okay? And one thing that I did not do that I meant to do on my bread was to sprinkle some garlic powder on it. Let's sprinkle some garlic. We're going to slide it back out, sprinkle garlic powder on it, and let it cook for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we'll bring it out and go ahead and dress it up, and we're going to have us a hamburger submarine. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I'm starting to dress this burger. Now, you can leave off the mayo if you want to. I mean, I'm not leaving it off, so we're going to put a... this is not exactly a healthy burger. To make it a healthy burger, you have to leave... Now, on one end, I am going to leave it real sparse, but for the most part, it's going to be a tablespoon on each side of this burger. So we'll do it lightly on this end. Okay. And Kareem likes his just loaded with mayonnaise, so then we're gonna put just a little squirt of ketchup. Not a lot of ketchup, just enough. Okay. This is Kareem's. That's my end that I make. I remember that. You have to keep it real, y'all. Okay. Now, here, nope, I don't want to put that back in there. Here's the next thing I want to do. I want to go ahead and get my ketchup. I'm sorry, my lettuce and tomatoes in here. I'm going to go ahead and get it going on the bread. Get some black peppers. You know you have to have black pepper for the tomatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna get my black pepper. Let me see, which is the bottom? Yeah, that's the bottom. I think that's the bottom. Yeah, that's the bottom. I hope I pulled off enough lettuce and dried it off. Yeah, I think this will do. I almost froze my lettuce. Had it in the wrong spot in the fridge. So here we go. You know what? Let me get some more lettuce. That's not enough. There it is. Y'all excuse me a minute. Let me. I'm gonna have to dry this lettuce. Wash this lettuce off and dry it right quick. Get it dried off right quick for you. So what are y'all doing? I need y'all, when y'all respond to this video for me, I would love it if you would tell me what y'all are doing. You know how I didn't get with just that little bit of lettuce. So now, I like lots of lettuce on my end. Okay. So here's what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to take these burgers. Now what though first? Let's go ahead and put the tomato. We'll put the meat on last. We'll put tomatoes on. I need another slice of tomato. The sous chef didn't get prepared too good today. I'm praying y'all. Oh yeah. I don't keep a lot of tomatoes in my fridge, and when I do, I always end up putting them in my salsa. So, I do have enough. Ooh, one more good slice. Well, 2 more good slices of tomato. And what I'm going to do with this tomato is I'm going to sprinkle, a little bit of lemon pepper. Just a little bit of lemon pepper on it. Not a lot. And also, you know, tomatoes, you like to put lots of black pepper on those tomatoes, okay? Lots of black pepper. Not lots, but I mean, you know, enough. So we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to do my big one right here on the end, okay? So this is our burger. Now, on top of all of that, y'all, I'm getting ready to put, it won't hurt, this is my Mayo spoon. So I'm just going to take and plop me some onions on top of each one. Okay. This is going to be a good old burger, y'all. Okay. And that's it. There is our good old sub burger. How's that for a sub sandwich? Woo! Imagine this, y'all. Wow, I'm just gonna mash down on it like so, and it's nice and warm. That's gonna be good, y'all. So, hope y'all got something exciting to do for lunch. See, this is how I make my excitement. That's why I say I don't see how people get all that bored. Because you can do stuff like this to make life more exciting when it comes to food. And to top it all off, y'all, I am going to drizzle it with some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to put it on there just to soften up that top. Yummy. Yum, 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 yummy. So, if you don't have nothing else in life to do today, if you got one of these foot-long pieces of bread, and you got 5 or 6 burgers laying around that you need to do something with, hey, go in there and make you a foot-long hamburger. I don't know. That was just what I wanted to do for today. So hold on and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, there it is, already in its glory, ready to be cut up and set down in front of and eaten up. This is going to be good. This is epic, y'all. I've never done one of these before. First time. You saw it first here on Come On In. So listen, if you think you want a submarine hamburger, go ahead and try one of these. These are just promised to be the best you ever ate. So until I decide to cook again, keep those prayers going up. Now remember, we're still praying for healthcare workers, food service workers, and all of those that's still working to keep us afloat. So until I cook again, now keep the prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Toodaloo.